Okay, I get us a new toy to play with. This is the Brady M610 label printer. And I have used a Brady label printer for, well, maybe, I'm gonna age myself out here, 25-ish years at least. And this is the one that I got last. I got this one, I think in 2013, 2014, somewhere in there. And this is the BMP71. It has been an incredibly reliable printer. And we've been doing a control panel building series, and we're at a point in it where we need to do some labeling. And so I could have done the labeling with it, but there are a lot of new features on some of the modern printers that I really wanted to showcase. And one, I was out at Automation Fair this past year, and Brady was showing off their app that really you can take your phone and you can take a picture of a drawing, and then it will find all the wire labels on it, and it will print them out for you, which is an amazing time-saving feature. And that's what we want to do, is try to save as much time as possible. So let's open this up and see what it comes with. So just like Christmas, we'll just rip the packaging right off of this thing. And then let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, and one thing I like already, because, you know, I loved this BMP71, but it was bulky. This gets down near the size of the printer that we had before. I don't recall the part number of that printer, but this is a nice portable printer that will cover all of our needs. And so it does use a battery pack, and I'll probably go ahead and pick another one of those up really soon, but we'll pop it in. Ooh. I just realized, hey, now they knew that I was not going to read the instructions. This already has labels in it too. But run the printer driver installer before connecting your printer. Okay, that's probably important that we actually look at. Let's go ahead and press the power button. All right, familiar display to what the BMP71 had. And let's just see if it works. So let's put subscribe. And then we're going to hit the print button. And look at there. Folks, right out of the box, this thing is ready to print. And you should definitely subscribe to learn more about this label printer, because I am getting with Brady where we're going to talk about different label materials, because depending on what you're labeling is what material you need to use. And I probably see more issues with not being able to read labels due to using the wrong label type and them becoming discolored or them peeling off. And here's a playlist with some other control panel videos to help you out.